This year has seen some celebrities rise to the top while others have been left behind. Here's a look at the biggest winners of 2018. After a rocky start to the year, Ariana Grande managed to turn her broken engagement into the hit song Thank You Next, which topped the Billboard charts for 4 weeks in a row and received the biggest weekly total of streams ever for a song by a female artist. Drake had an amazing year as he was named Spotify's most streamed artist of all time. And it's no surprise that this year the Canadian rapper received the most streams with an astounding 8.2 billion plays of his tracks worldwide. In the world of fashion, Kaia Gerber became the youngest ever model of the year at this year's British Fashion Awards. The 17-year-old has only been modeling for a year and beat fierce competition such as Bella Hadid in receiving the accolade. George Clooney was named the world's highest paid actor in 2018. Despite not making a movie for 2 years, the Hollywood heavyweight earned $239 million between June 1, 2017 and June 1, 2018 due to the sale of his lucrative tequila brand Casamigos. As for the highest paid actress, Scarlett Johansson came in top this year, making $40.5 million from June 1, 2017 to June 1, 2018, and it's been reported that her role as Black Widow in Marvel's Avengers movies helped Scarlett quadruple her earnings from the year before. Sick of these promos? Like us and subscribe so we won't have to make up any new ones.